What's up, guys? We're in my house right now making some decals for the E36. Puts a big ugly down the side. It's gonna be pretty ugly, you know, but just life.
They haven't even seen the new BMW yet.
No, yeah, we've completely revamped the green. It's gone. It was very ugly. Thank God it's gone. So you'll see that in a second. Once I finish cutting these decals and I get them all masked up and stuff, I will show you guys us installing them and you guys will see the new paint job.
The BMW is over there. You can't really see it, but it's there. It's there. I'm just trying to cheat. I'm just trying to cheat a little bit.
Got the decals all cut and masking taped up. I'm gonna go ahead and prep the car now with some alcohol and get all the dirt and shit off the vinyl. So you guys see, this is the new vinyl paint job, by the way. It's a prototype vinyl that goes on some cars, you know, before they're actually released from the factory. It's kind of cool. Wish I had to do this. Kind of had it laying around, my buddy did. So it definitely gives the green, you know, it's gone. Looks a lot better.
It looks much better.
Much better. So we're gonna go ahead now and wipe the whole car down and get it prepped for this vinyl. And then two of us are going to hold it, and one of us is probably gonna film, and we're gonna get the shit laid. Alright, look, okay?
Alright, well, we needed 3 guys to lay it out. So I picked up the camera once we could get away with 2 guys. Hey, go like this. Go like this. Like that and pull it. And it won't pull the vinyl.
Yep.
So we got the big uglies, we got the placement. We used 3M translucent vinyl to give that effect from the wrap job behind it. That's the door handle. Oh shit.
I got from the door handle.
Big ugly drift squad.
So nice, dude. It's awesome.
Hey, that orange was a good color to pick.
Yeah.
It makes it really pop.
Yep.
So now Tony's doing the door handle. He's got his drift spares on. Don't worry, guys. They're not as M3. He didn't break them. This is drift spares.
Went ahead and got the door handle cut out and all the door jambs cut and tucked. This thing looks fucking killer on camera, dude. That vinyl looks freaking crazy.
It looks better when they take
Tony.
photo.
Huh.
You didn't cut the door.
Oh, well, you know.
Somebody
Sorry.
opens that.
Show them the translucent effect, how you can see the vinyl underneath. I knew that was going to happen. I was hoping for it.
That looks really good.
We got the stickers all done now. This is the final product. Doesn't look terrible. It's pretty cool, actually. You can see the camo design underneath the translucent orange. Pretty cool. It's about to rain, so probably gonna end this video, but we'll be back. Alright, this is day number 2. We got Jay over here working on the trans with Chris. They're doing his clutch. Completely burnt. The thing is just free rev when you give it gas. I went in any gear. So I went ahead and I got my sticker bomb in the mail. You can see I got tons of different decals, all different kinds. Pretty cool. We'll go ahead and I'm going to start doing my lip. Trying to do a video here, man. Anyways, I'm going to do my lip, and then if I have any extra, I may, you know, do the sides of the wing or something. We'll see.
I can't get this off of here. That sounds good. What?
Anyways, got the sticker bomb done on the lip and actually on the side of the spoiler also. Looks pretty good. The stickers seem to be pretty good. We'll see how long they last. I don't know. It's alright. We're going to do our windshield banners too, but they actually sell a printed vinyl, so it's all one piece. A little bit easier. But Jay got his trans out of his car. They're unbolting the clutch right now. So as soon as they get the clutch back in there, stuff the trans in, go, because I have plans later. Before I end the video, I just picked up a fixed back racing seat for the E36. It's probably gonna go on the passenger side because it's a little snug on me, not too bad, but be good for the passengers. Picked it up for 50 bucks, so it's actually a really nice seat. It's brand new. My buddy bought it and never used it, so this is the seat, being the E36, being the passenger seat. But yeah, till next time.